Hello, today I'm going to show you how can we track actual values for tasks when we have cost resources assigned to them. So for this purpose, I created two tasks, task 1 and task 2. Both of them, they have 5 days duration. I have some resources, John, and airplane tickets. Now, for task 1, I will assign John and airplane tickets for a ticket for him. So for that purpose, I'm going to go to resource, assign resource, and I will say airplane ticket cost $1,000, and I will assign John as well, and I will close. For task 2, I will assign only airplane tickets with $1,000. Okay. So you can see that for task 1, I have John and airplane ticket, and for task 2, I have only airplane ticket. Now, let me go to task usage view. I will put here, for example, percentage of complete. I will put actual cost. You will see that if I will start with task 2. If I go here and say that this task with only airplane ticket is 100% completed, you will see that actual cost is $1,000. Let me switch to cost table. So you will see that $1,000 is actual, remaining zero. Let's switch to Gantt chart. Task is 100% completed. Let me do the same thing for task 1, where I have airplane tickets, but John as well. Now, view task usage. And I will say, okay, task 1 is 100% completed. First, before I do that, first be aware that the total cost is $5,000, $4,000 for John, because he's supposed to work 5 days. Let me show you here, work table, work field. 5 days multiplied by 8 hours per day is 40 hours. Okay? 40 hours multiplied by $100 per hour is $4,000. And airplane ticket is fixed $1,000. If I now put this task as 100% completed, you will see one strange thing. And Microsoft says that it is by default, that it is not a bug. I consider it at least as odd functionality. When I mark task 2 as 100% completed, and only cost resource is assigned to it, everything works fine. Actual is 1,000, remaining is 0. When I do the same thing on a task in which I have the same cost resource with same cost, but also work resource like John, only John is marked as, let's say, completed. So actual is $4,000 for John, but airplane ticket remains, actual remains 0. So if I go back to Gantt chart, everything seems fine. But if I want to see my total cost here, okay, and I say, okay, let's say cost, and actual cost, you will see here is difference. So what can I do? I should go, when I have cost resources and work resources as well, I should mark manually what is the real actual cost of cost resources. And for that, I should go to task usage. I should go to airplane ticket, and I will double click on it, and then you will see that I have cost it's $1,000, and you can see that I should put actual here 1,000. When I put 1,000 here, I will have remaining 0. So to conclude this video, when you have a task which has resource, which is cost resource assigned to that task, and also one or more work resources, persons, or group of persons, and when you mark this task as 100% completed, you should manually put actual cost for this task for cost resources. Otherwise, you will get the strange result that the actual cost for work resources will be like total cost, but actual cost for cost resources will be 0. This is odd, but how it is. I just want you to know how it behaves. Thank you very much. See you soon.